Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab limited short box. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in white, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tacoma includes a camera in the grille there right under the Toyota emblem. You also have 2 cameras underneath the side mirrors and one in the back, which gives you a 360 camera view, which we will see more inside. Other great features includes your chrome exterior trim, parking sensors, and a proximity smart key system. Now helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Tacoma does have a smart key system, so we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Now, if we take a quick look in the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You do also have a blind spot monitoring system inside the mirror as well. On the bottom of the door, you have some extra storage space. Now, if we take a look inside, this Tacoma comes equipped with brown leather seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. If we take a quick look on the top, you also have a power moonroof. Now we're going to start this Tacoma up by pushing the brake in and pushing that start button right behind the steering wheel there. Now, as always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have these arrows. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display here. If we take a look on the bottom of the right side here, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. On the right side, you have your navigation map, which we can press and that will enlarge. You can set your destination. Going into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have choices between Bluetooth. You have this USB option here that is for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon. Going into reverse, that'll bring up that backup camera. On the left side, you have that direct view. On the right side, you have that 360 view like we mentioned earlier. Moving down to our climate control, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Up top, you'll also find your driver and passenger heated seats. To the left, you have your heated mirrors, drivetrain selector. There you have your engine start button, of course. Down below, you have features like your blind spot monitoring, where you can turn those sensors on and off. You have your parking assist. This is where you also have your wireless charger. So if we press this button here, that light will come on. You can put your phone right in there, and that will charge up without any cables. And lastly, you have your USB and your 12-volt outlet. Taking a look inside the back here, we have some storage on the bottom, just like the driver's side. Of course, we're continuing with the brown leather seating. Behind the front passenger seat, you do have an extra storage compartment. And we do have some extra storage compartments underneath the seats as well, so we can just lift that bottom half, opening up this piece. Now, you do have these under both sides as well. Now, this Tacoma does have a locking tailgate, so we're going to unlock it. We're going to pull this handle here right next to that backup camera. And taking a look inside the back here, you can see you have plenty of storage space. If you take a look on the right side, you also have an extra storage compartment along with a power outlet. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tacoma, once again, some of those great interior features includes your wireless charger, power moonroof, 360 camera, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.